Hello everybody, this is a very quick guide for using your Musotoku. It's a 5 ampere digital power supply for tattoo. Hope you enjoy it. This is the dial knob. It allows you to adjust the power supply from 3 volts up to 16 in steps of 0.1. This is the pause button. It allows you to change any of the 4 memories sequentially. You can change any of the memories at any time by acting on the dial knob, and it will be recorded for you automatically without doing anything else. This is the same 0.4 that I just said before. You can also enjoy all the FOOTSWITCH flavors. This is the standard. If you push and hold the pause button, you have the continuous mode, or finally you have the one touch mode that works together with the maintained. It also has other features like the timer. You have play, stop or reset for charging accordingly to session duration. Another great feature is the Nitro power. It's for fast startup of any machine, especially those that are built with our mechanical parts like Cheyenne, for example. This extra pulse will allow you to start up quickly and will adjust automatically to your voltage setup, so always is safe for you and your machine to start up with Nitro. This is a fast access to the stopwatch timer. You can toggle stop or start again by simply pushing and holding. The yellow string is built for easy routing of the cable from the rear, so it keeps free the front panel and is very comfortable for installation. You can use this band for protecting the dial knob from contamination. It's very convenient. You can use also the clamp arm for holding the power supply. It's very convenient, also quite useful for attaching the power supply to whatever place. It's a great clamp that opens a lot. You can also use any other GoPro accessory for using the power supply with the nut bolt. Musotoku also features built-in power consumption monitoring for not damaging the machine in case there is any problem in it. So look at this, it will stop automatically if it detects something that is going wrong. So despite having 5 amperes, there's no chance for you to damage your machine.